In this video, I will show you how to buy a Ledger Nano X in India. Now, you can sometimes do it from the Ledger shop itself, but often you will need to pay the duties for importing it into India because it will be shipping likely from the United States. So instead, what you can do is go to etherbit.in, and this is a shop that also sells the Ledger Nano X. So you can find it right here. You can see Ledger Nano X. So just go and click on it, and then they have all of the colors that the main one also has. You can pay also in different payment methods that may be more convenient. And in my opinion, this is a legit shop. Now again, you can also just order it on the normal website, but if you don't want to pay the duties for importing it, you can see currently it is out of stock in this color, but it is available, for example, in green. So you can just click add to cart and then check out, and then you can ship it directly to your address in India. So that's etherbit.in. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but this is a pretty good place to buy a Ledger Nano X if you're from India. So now you know how to buy a Ledger Nano X in India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.